Hi guys, before closing this topic, I want to explain you one smaller concept that is nothing but about the T command. So what is this T command about this one? So the T command is also one of the important one which you need to understand it. So the T command acts as something like a pipeline. For example, if I want to explain you something like, for example, let's take this one and here is my Control F or otherwise file, new, don't save it. So normally the pipes, we have learned about the pipes concept, right? So normally when you are trying to command, when you are trying to send one command into the pipe, okay, pipe, let's assume this one is a pipe, okay, and the output of this one will be sent as a command to this one, okay, so like this. Now in between this one you want to do some other operation, means so we can use this T command. So where this T command will be exactly useful is, I will try to show you one simple example. Let's assume that here we are having this simple thing, right? So let's try to take the ls thing. I am having two things, that is nothing but sample.txt, shopping list.txt, okay. So I want to check this sample.txt and shopping list.txt file. So these are the files. Now what I want to do it is, so here I want to count the lines of this one. So here you will be able to get that there are 9 lines for this one. So total lines for these two files combinedly is 9 lines. So fine. Now what I want to do is, so I want to combine these two files and I want to save this content in a separate file and I want to calculate the total number of lines for this one. So what I can do for this one is, I want to change this one. So here cat sample.txt and the shopping list.txt. So I want to save it in common.txt file, okay, common.txt file, and then I want to calculate the wc-l. This is the common thing which we have learned it, right? So first what I am trying to do, I want to check these two files, that is nothing but shopping list and sample.txt file, and I want to save it in a one file, common.txt, and I want to check this wc-l. So if I try to press enter, so now we are able to see it is a 0. Why we are getting 0? But we should get the output as 9. We are getting it as a 0. Why? Because so here, so what it has did it here, so something like, so for example, if you try to see the same thing with the wc, so here we are able to see 0 0 0. So what it is happening is, so sample.txt is shopping list.txt and it has saved on the file and it has written nothing, and that one is calculated in the wc. So now in this behavior, so what it is happening here is, so we are trying to use this redirection option and we are saving it file, and after that one the output of this redirection option we are saving it in the wc. So we are trying to see it with the wc. This is not the behavior. So in this scenario the T command plays a very important role. What is this T command does it is, so the same thing you can do it. So you need to cat this one and here you can use this T command, okay, T common.txt. So whatever the output it comes, it will save it in the file common.txt and it will not modify the output. The same output will be sent to the wc. Now if you try to see the same thing or otherwise before using this T command, so what you can think it is, so you may be thinking that, so okay fine, shopping list.txt and I want to see the wc of this one, and then afterwards I will save it in the common.txt. So you can think it like this. So now if you try to see here cat common.txt file, now you are able to see 9, 17, 18 instead of the contents of these two files. So we are able to see the wc output. So what it is happening here, so the two files it is taking the output and wc we are trying to count the word count, and that output of this word count we are trying to save it in the file. So this should not happen. So this is the different behavior. So that is the reason the T command takes place. The T command will try to save this file, save the content into a file, and the same content will be passed to the output as a next pipe. So for that one what we need to do it is, so in the same thing, so we can remove it like this, and so here I can do T, let's try to do it, yeah, T common.txt file. So that means automatically the data will be saved, and here the pipe I can use it, and here I can use the wc. Now if I try to press enter, see we are able to see the total number of things, and if you try to see the output for this one, common.txt and the same content we are able to see it that both the content has been copied. So here the t command, what is the meaning of this t command is, so whatever the output it is, whatever the output it is coming, it will save that output into the file, and the same output without modifying it will pass it to the next pipe. So this is the importance of this t command. So this is one command which I have missed it. So hope you understood about this t command. If you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comments below to this video. And if you like this video, please do support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you.